Explainable AI, or XI, technologies aim to make the decision-making processes of AI systems more transparent. As AI systems become increasingly complex, XAI tools are crucial for understanding and trusting AI decisions. Transparency.
XAI enhances the transparency of AI systems. It provides clear explanations of how AI models arrive at their decisions. This helps users and stakeholders understand the reasoning behind AI outputs.
XAI builds trust in AI systems. Users are more likely to trust AI systems when they can understand their decision-making processes. Transparency in AI decisions fosters confidence in the technology. XAI ensures accountability in AI decision-making. It allows developers and organizations to explain and justify AI decisions. And it facilitates the identification and correction of biases and errors in AI models.
XAI aids in compliance with regulatory requirements. Many regulations require that AI decisions be explainable and transparent. XAI helps organizations meet these legal and ethical standards.
IBM's AI Explainability 360 Toolkit provides a comprehensive suite of tools to enhance the transparency and interpretability of AI models. This toolkit empowers developers to better understand, trust, and manage AI systems, ensuring they meet the highest standards of accountability and compliance.
IBM's AI Explainability 360 Toolkit is designed to promote transparency and trust in AI models. It provides a suite of algorithms and metrics to explain AI decisions. It includes tools for both pre- and post-hoc explainability.
The toolkit offers various methods to interpret and understand AI models. For example, feature importance identifies which features most influence the model's decisions. Local explanations provide explanations for individual predictions. IBM's toolkit is used across different sectors to enhance AI transparency. In healthcare, it helps clinicians understand AI-based diagnostic tools, ensuring that AI recommendations are clear and justifiable. Real-world examples of XI.
Healthcare. XAI is critical in medical applications where understanding AI decisions can be a matter of life and death. For example, AI systems used for diagnosing diseases provide explanations for their predictions, allowing doctors to verify and trust the results.
In the financial sector, XI helps in making transparent and fair decisions. For example, credit scoring models using XI can explain why a particular applicant was approved or denied credit, ensuring fairness and compliance with regulations. XI is used to ensure fairness and transparency in AI applications within law enforcement. Predictive policing tools using XI can provide explanations for their predictions, helping to prevent biased or unjust decisions. Challenges and future directions. One of the main challenges is the complexity of modern AI models. Some models, like deep neural networks, are inherently complex and difficult to interpret. XI tools must balance between simplicity and the accuracy of explanations. There is a need for standardized approaches to explainability, developing industry-wide standards for XI to ensure consistency and reliability across different applications. Ensuring that explanations are understandable by all stakeholders. Tailoring explanations to different audiences, from technical developers to non-expert users, to ensure clarity and usefulness. Conclusion. Explainable AI, XAI, is essential for making AI systems' decision-making processes transparent, building trust, ensuring accountability, and complying with regulations. Tools like IBM's AI Explainability 360 Toolkit are pivotal in achieving these goals. As AI continues to evolve, the importance of XAI will only grow, making it a cornerstone of responsible AI development. Stay tuned for more insights into the evolving landscape of AI and its ethical implications.